Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to drain and refill the transmission on a 2014 Ford Escape with the 6F35 transmission. This is the same process for the Fusion, Explorer, and some other Ford vehicles as well. With the vehicle somewhat level, because you want to keep this as level as possible, here's the drain plug. It's just going to be 11 mil. We're going to remove the drain plug, and we're going to make sure we have a clean pan on here because we're going to measure how much came out so we can put that same amount back in. And when that's done draining, and put your plug back on there and torque that to 25 Nm or 106 inch-pounds. Now we're ready to fill up the transmission. This is what Ford recommends you put in this transmission here. Just don't put one of those multi-virgin transmission fluids. It's not worth it. Just put the one that's spec for this car. And you're going to need 4 liters is what Ford says for this transmission for a drain and refill, which is roughly 4.2 quarts. So you're going to need about 5 quarts. Then we'll slowly start dumping about 4.5 in there. And it's usually best practice to measure how much you got out of it below and put that same amount back in. And right here is where we're going to be filling this up. Now I have the air duct and everything out of the way here, but you'll have to fight with that a little bit just to get through here. But this is the plug you're looking for. Just pull it up like that. Put your funnel in there, and that's where you're going to dump your fluid in. Then simply dump your fluid in. And after you got the required amount in, remove our funnel and reinstall our cap. After we got all the fluid in there, if you're interested on how to check the fluid on this, we need to make sure we get the vehicle up to operating temperature. So this transmission needs to be at 185 degrees to 200 degrees. So you're probably going to need to drive it around for a little bit. After you get the transmission up to the required temperature, you're going to come down here on your driver's side, and I am missing the axle here because I'm doing a separate repair here as well. But if you have the fuel economy transmission, your plug's going to be over here. On this one here, it is right here. All you need to do with the vehicle level, simply remove that plug, and the fluid comes out. That means you got too much in there. Eventually, it'll be like a very slow trickle. Once you get to that slow trickle, simply reinstall that, and you have the right amount of fluid in there. Alright, well hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please give me the thumbs up. If you're interested in more content like this, please hit that subscribe. But again, I hope this helped you out, and thanks for watching.